Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's video, I will show you the newly updated method to connect your IC Markets account directly to TradingView. TradingView recently removed the old bottom trading panel and moved things around, so let's walk through the new process right now. First, head over to the TradingView website and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, open up your main trading interface by clicking on Products and selecting Super Charts. From here, look at the top right corner of your chart interface. You will see a button named Trade. Click on it to open the panel containing all integrated brokers. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate IC Markets. Once you find it, hover over the logo and click Connect. A secure login window will pop up. Enter the email and password associated with your IC Markets account, then click to authorize the connection. And that is it. Your accounts are officially linked and the trading dashboard will open up right on the side of your screen. You are ready to execute your trades directly from your charts. If this quick update helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more fast, no-nonsense guides. See you in the next one.